Hey guys, welcome back to the garden. This is the courtyard of our place, and we live in the red building behind my husband, and this is the retreat center. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about the tradition for controlling weed, controlling space, because this, as you can see, is absolutely not under control. Some time ago I made this sign saying, relax, nothing is under control, and I think that's a motto I try to live by. And I want to talk about the courtyard specifically because we live in the country, of course, in the countryside, and your worth as a human being very often depends on how little weeds you have in your courtyard. And as you can see, we are sort of going a little bit against that tradition of it's like a display of control that I think is interesting. It's very much mirrored also in the way we farm conventionally. It's a very sort of tight control regime, and the courtyards traditionally were meant to be completely under control. It's not. And I think it's an interesting thing. Some people come into the courtyard and saying, oh my God, you need to weed. And other people come in and go, whoa, it's so nice. It feels so much more relaxed. And as this is also part of our business, the retreat center, I need to find like a golden middle way to make it beautiful and inviting, and also relaxed, I think is super important. So this is my idea of the golden middle way. As you can see, there are lots of ladies' mantle, lots of euphorbias. They're very early flowering. I like this bright lime green color in the garden, and I think they'll also look beautiful when they are sort of falling. Maybe you can also see we've got lots and lots of perennial fennels, and they are of course lovely, and all the groups eat them, but they self-seed, as you can see, everywhere. So I do cut these back before the seeds ripen. So that's it's not like I'm not working in here. You can see that some of the spaces are quite clear and clean, and I'm trying to find that sort of that balance of lots of herbs, lots of flowering, lots of insects, so that it feels lush and beautiful, but it's also a space where you know where to put your feet down. So. And maybe if it wasn't a business, I think if it was up to me, I would have even more plants in here. But as it is now, this is how it is. And I'm thinking then that maybe it would be a good idea to put the sign up in the bed in the middle of the courtyard, so that everyone can ponder a little about this illusion of control that we very often have vis-a-vis nature. We think it's something we need to control. It's a collaboration, and I think it's important, and that's partly why the courtyard is looking like this. Also, I think it's just for fun. I have this special variety of strawberries growing here. These are Senga Sangana, and I think they're some of the earliest, and they are so delicious. This is the taste of strawberries from my childhood, and we go out here to pick for breakfast every morning when they are ripening, and it's a super lovely thing. So that's my take on the golden middle way and the illusion of control. Thanks for watching, and see you later.